Hello and welcome. Let's solve this simple question on the board. We have on the left hand side, we have 12 divided by 111 minus 3 plus 123 divided by 1111 minus 4. Of course, if you look at what we have on the left hand side, okay, this will reduce to 12 over 111 minus 3. That will be 108, okay, plus 123 divided by 1111 minus 4. This will be 123 divided by 1107. Now, on the right hand side, we have 1234 divided by 11,111 minus 5. This will be 1234 divided by 11106. Okay, then plus 12345 divided by 111111 minus 6. Okay, now we can get 12 9 times in 108. So this will be 1 over 9. So this is 1 over 9. Then we can also get 123 in 1107 in also 9 times. So this will be 1 over 9 equals to, okay, so in this case also 1234 out of 11,106, that will be 9 times. So that will be 1 over 9 as well. So this is 1 over 9. Then plus 12345 divided by 11111 minus x. Okay, so we know that 1 over 9 minus 1 over 9, that will be 0. So we then have 1 over 9 on the left hand side equals to 12345 divided by 11111 minus x. So now we can cross multiply. So let's cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, this is going to be, this multiplies by 1. That will be 11111. Okay, minus x. That will be equals to 9 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 9. That will be, so we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus x. So that will be equals to 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is going to be 0, 5. 0, 5. So I will combine like terms. So in this case, this is going to come to the right hand side. Okay, isolating x, we're going to have x equals to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 5. So if you subtract this from this, then the value of x will be equals to 6. So the value of x which satisfies this equation is 6. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.